Hello and welcome to the Deutsche Goldmesse channel. My name is Kai Hoffmann. I'm the host of the Deutsche Goldmesse, and it is my pleasure to introduce to you Marco Roque. He's the president and CEO of Cassiar Gold, one of the exhibiting companies at Deutsche Goldmesse. Marco, thanks so much for joining us. Glad to have you.
Pleasure to be here. Thanks for having me.
Yeah, absolutely. Marco, give us a bit of an overview of the company. Who's Cassiar Gold in 60 seconds?
Sounds good. So Cassiar Gold, we are a Canadian gold explorer, advanced gold explorer, by the way. We're focused on our flagship by the same name, the Cassiar Gold Project in Western Canada, in northern British Columbia. A few things that set us apart is, first of all, we have a really substantial resource already. We have 1.93 million ounces inferred at 0.95 grams per ton, with an additional 410,000 ounces indicated at 1.43 grams per ton. The deposit is outcropping, starts at surface with 91% of the ounces occurring within 150 meters from surface. In addition to that, we already have mine permits already in place because we have a past producing district, which is 590 square kilometers. We have a fully owned and permitted mill. We have paved road access to the project, to the deposits, power and water access roads, portals, underground workings, you name it. And you also have a company that is led by a team of executives that has a track record of discovering, building, operating, and selling mines in British Columbia, in Canada, and around the world. And you get all of this for a 35 million market cap with 8.7 million cash in the bank right now.
Fantastic. Great overview, Marco. Maybe next question, follow up. Like, what is the overall business plan? What's the strategy?
Yeah, so our business plan is really to grow this asset and this deposit to 5 million ounces. We have a lot of room to grow. The deposit that we currently have is 1 square kilometer out of 590 square kilometers. The deposit is open laterally and it's open at depth. We have multiple targets over a 15-kilometer trend, so there's a lot of room to grow our system. We know it's quite big, and our objective is then to either take this into production ourselves, or we believe an asset like this it has, is the type of asset that the mid-tiers and the majors are looking for. So there's a potential for a takeout in the future. When you look at transactions for these type of assets, they go for 100, 200 over the past 15 years, dollars per ounce on the ground. So hopefully you can see like $1 billion valuation or exit sometime in the future. But that's obviously a forward-looking statement.
Absolutely. No, appreciate that, Marco. Let's talk about catalysts. How do you plan to get to that valuation? What is coming up that we should be looking forward to?
Well, drill, baby, drill. So right now, in terms of catalysts, we're just rounding up we already passed 7,000 meters of drilling. We've been doing step outs around the Taurus deposit where we have the entirety of our mineral resource estimate, and doing quite a bit of drilling in a very exciting target called New Coast, which is 2.5 kilometers south of the Taurus deposit. So we've allocated there just over 5,000 meters. The New Coast target is a target that we believe has potential to become another Taurus. In fact, back in the day, that target was called Taurus 2, and that's the way we like to think about it. So news flow of the drilling should starting to come up in a couple of weeks, and probably we'll be releasing results until January. And then in the first half of 2026, we're looking forward to release metallurgical work as well as first PEI on our project as well.
Fantastic. Yeah, that's great. Marco, maybe a bit of a summary question here, but why should investors meet with you in Frankfurt? Why should they ask for a one-on-one meeting or just attend your presentation?
First of all, gold is almost $4,000, but more importantly, I think Cassiar Gold, in this environment that has been overlooked and is extremely undervalued. As I mentioned in the beginning, we already have a really substantial resource with infrastructure, with access, with permits, and a market cap that's 35 million with 8.7 million cash in deposits in the bank. So that means that equates for an enterprise value of below $13 Canadian, almost 11, I think, or 12 right now. So it's an extremely undervalued opportunity. So, I would expect to see a re-rate, especially in this gold price environment. And with gold equities, a lot of our peers are taking off. We barely moved, like we're maybe at 50% from, since the beginning of the year, which is nothing and when you compare it to our peers. So there's a lot of room to grow, and we're delivering value through drilling, expanding, the footprint of mineralization, and also going through metallurgical work and economic studies as well. So, a lot of catalysts ahead of us, a lot of growth ahead of us, and hopefully re-rating as well, which, I think it will happen. And that's why, myself and other insiders are also buying on the open market, and, in addition to investing through via private placements as well.
Fantastic. Marco, really appreciate the update. Really looking forward to hosting you in Frankfurt here in a few short weeks. Thanks so much for joining us, and to everybody else. Make sure to register for free at Deutsche Goldmesse or GermanGoldShow.com. It is free for investors to attend. If you have any questions, please reach out, leave a comment down below. We're happy to answer them. Thank you so much for tuning in. We'll be back with more. Take care.